Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying ID 17 in the logs and capturing the exact message. This tells you what failed and when. Once done, make sure you have admin credentials and access via GUI or SSH so you can act immediately. Create a restore point or export the current configuration before touching anything, because rolling back is simpler than rebuilding. You want to minimize downtime, so prepare a short checklist and confirm backups completed successfully before moving to the next stage. Now you diagnose. Reproduce the error in a safe window to see failure patterns and identify the subsystem responsible. Once identified, inspect permissions, missing dependencies, blocked ports, and resource constraints. These are common culprits. Apply fixes one at a time, install a missing package, correct file permissions, adjust service limits, and then restart the affected service to test. After each change, validate logs and functionality. If the error persists, roll back the last change and try an alternate cause so you don't compound issues. Finish by confirming stability. Run a full test plan and monitor logs for 30 to 60 minutes to ensure ID 17 no longer appears. Once stable, document the exact changes you made, update runbooks, and remove any temporary workarounds so the environment stays clean. If the problem remains after your attempts, escalate with a concise packet, relevant logs, config snippets, timestamps, and exact reproduction steps. This saves time for the next engineer. One troubleshooting tip: check for recent deployments or
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.